Hey, what's up everybody? Nico here. Gonna make a little video for y'all. Just show you guys what's going on around here.
Hello.
Hi Ashlyn.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Good.
So what you're doing?
Driving a shovel in the snow.
That's weird. She's kind of weird. But yeah, this is what's going on. A little couple days after the blizzard. Let's see. Oh man, that's so much snow. Yep, infinity. It's pretty cold. Why are you putting on the
Oh, so we can get stuck in snow?
ugly?
I'll kick you.
Anyways, it's pretty high. She tried to attack me. Oh man. Alright everyone. Well, yeah, this is our house.
I'm gonna make
She's weird. Man, look at that dang old snow like little thingy pile there. Like brother like sister. Man, likes digging stuff. Ashlyn, make a snow angel.
Okay.
Never mind.
Oh, fine. You want me to make you a snow angel or make it?
I said never mind.
What do you mean?
God damn, disrespectful. Can you see the smoke?